mostly thought of as a shrub, but it can behave a bit like a vine because it will get long and work its way up trees. In the woods, you might see multiflora rose and think that it is a vine. Yes, it does have thorns, and one of the a couple different ways to identify it. It does have thorns, so you have to be careful that you don't poke yourself. But this is a compound leaf right here with little tiny leaflets, and it has what we call a fringed stipule, S-T-I-P-U-L-E, right at the base of the leaf. A little bit of fringe, almost like a little bristly structure. Multiflora rose is the only rose that has that fringed stipule. So that's how you can be sure about it. The flowers are very fragrant. They do produce the red rose hips later in the summer and into the fall. Birds love them, and that's how they often spread. But that is multiflora rose. Normally, if it's out in the field by itself, it's going to produce canes that can be 10 to 12 feet tall, and then they will, by the weight, they will arch over and hit the ground. This is a very dense sort of woody crown and taproot, and then the canes come up. They can then fall down the ground and root, and then you can get this leapfrog effect of one massive amount of shrub after another. So that's one certainly to be aware of. Because of the thorns, it's got a little more challenge in handling it and controlling it.